Way you wanna be with me forever. The way you wanna be with me forever. I wanna be with you, forever.
Good morning, y'all. It's Bunny, the one and only. If you're new here, hello. If you're a beauty, welcome back. I am on my way to Raleigh right now to get my hair done with Kvrmens kitchen. We're gonna see what she's cooking up today. We're participating in a hair show, so it's gonna be fun, good vibes. I'm tired, so this is why I look crazy right now. And Carmen, you baby lucky I like you because I'm doing a lot of goddamn driving today. Like, for real, I live not too far from the show, but I already know it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna have fun, and y'all gonna come along with me today. And yeah, so let's get into it. All right, y'all, I'm here.
Oh, please don't get me because I ain't do my hair yet. I look crazy. That's when you come out.
Okay.
So you just gotta be listening for me to stop.
Cooking up.
What you making a TikTok? Or you doing that for YouTube?
For YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
We're cooking up. What is coming out of the kitchen today?
Fucking weed.
I'm under the dryer, y'all. I'm under the dryer. It's gonna be fire. All right, so I'm done, y'all. I'm on the way back to the house so I can do my makeup. It's giving a lemonade look. Y'all see her? Like, watch how my shit look when she take it down. But yeah. So I'm on the way to the house. Once I get there, we can get into this makeup look. Okay, hey y'all, I'm home. I just tried on my outfit. They approved, period. Now I'm about to get into this face. This is what the hair is giving. She's not gonna add the yellow until we get there. But when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. That's the theme, period. Okay, hey y'all. So don't mind me right now because I'm trying to use this new tool, right? Let me show y'all. It's from Beauty Blender. Hold on, let me get the camera right. So boom. Excuse me. So I'm using this liner thing from Beauty Blender. It's gonna help me get like the cat eye look, but I'm struggling. Like it got like different pictures and stuff that you can do and show you how to place it or whatever. So this is this right here. Say for example, you put the little thing that I got right here over the lid and it help you do the liner. But the one I'm trying to do is giving like a cat eye. So I want it to be like this. So we're gonna see though, because I'm struggling like really bad. So let me get my mirror. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, y'all. Because the way the technique is, it's saying for me to put it like this. I guess move my lashes out the way. I don't know. I got time to mess this up. So I'm gonna figure it out and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I think I got it. So you see how you see how my hair is yellow? I was trying to prevent it from happening, but I got a little slight wing or whatever. We're gonna see how it looks because I'm not really feeling it, but we're gonna see. Okay, y'all, so I'm putting on my foundation. I'm rushing, of course, like always. Carmen gonna kill me. I had to put on my press-ons. But I'm here. I'm not here, but I'm putting on my foundation. So, yeah. Hey, y'all. So, I'm in the car. I'm not done with my makeup, as you can see. I gotta put my lashes on, do my blush. And my lip is not going to get done until I get there. I'm running a little behind, as always. Which is not a good thing. I'm just saying. But face is done. Period. I just need to put my lashes on and put my blush, setting spray, And yeah, I could do that while I'm driving. If you've been watching some of my stuff that I post, I've showed y'all how I put my makeup on while I'm driving. It's a technique to it. But yeah, the thing that took up majority of my time was putting on these goddamn press-ons. I didn't even get to paint them, but at least it looked like I got some nails, like from a distance. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, I'm on my way there. I'm about 35 minutes away. But yeah, so I'll see y'all when I pull up. We here, y'all. Everybody here, we're getting our lives together.
I just got here, but I was like, I think that's Stephanie. When you come in, I'm gonna just come to the front door. Oh, you. Your stupid telephone? Oh my God, I love it. And I sit on top of you. What we do, go? So much for supporting me, and to welcome y'all to the third. Somebody say third. LID Showcase. And just in case you didn't know what LID stands for, it stands for Lock It Down. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today, okay? So I just wanna let y'all know, man, woo, my nerves. I might be a little gassy, so if you smell something, just feel like you're sick inside. But I gotta treat everything like a church service, so y'all know how they do the testimonial part. They say giving honor to God is whisper your desires, I'll provide. Will you say you stand tonight? 'Cause when we done making love, you know it's a wrap you in. See? Don't act like you forgot. I call a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Y'all should know me well enough. But you know when the time runs.
Yes.
With all the lemons that life has thrown my way, I kept them to serve you lemonade today. Every moment was just a counted step. To have this testimony, it was all just prep. I hope that you all see the blood, sweat, and tears from all the lemons I've been hit with all these years.
Cause now we stay the state, I finally get to live my dream. So even though you Whenever life gives you lemons, make sure you make lemonade.
Fire, baby. Feel 360, limit one out of the scene. That's that action. Her best work on her knees.
Thank you. I feel it. All on my back. Face mask. And this cute little ring. It reminds me of a ring pop. I almost ate it, but I ain't gonna eat it. Y'all see? They're gonna have 20 minutes to incorporate that into a style. Okay, 20 minutes. So all my locticians, come forward. Come forth. Come forward. Come forth. I'm done. Boy, then I got this drink with this Hennessy in it. Lord have mercy. All my locticians, come forward. Carmen, sorry. Tanisha, Portia. And your models that you retwist on with it. Come on, models. Yes, sir. All I'm trying to say is, have y'all seen how many masculine presented females been in that show? I didn't even know what they was gonna do for real. We even got a loctician. Listen, 3.
we live and die, bitch, keep your feet up. All I wanna do is get away with you. What's up? What we gonna do when we leave this club?
Met her in the cloud. I'm showing out.
Finish. DJ, give us some tunes, models. Walk this runway right quick.
Got a lot of D, who poppin' like a P when he be hoppin' up. Who gon' tell him never do? Yeah, I do free. When we say hop and step, we ain't talking about degrees. Who will follow me? Like who don't follow me? Cause anything you would never see it like me. I see it, I could just be chocolate. You could be in the breeze, but I see you come to me. I'm just a real, give a fuck about a trick. I'm so real, and we really with this. Put this beat on your lip. Give a fuck about the dick. I get that and then I grab my shit and then I do.
Speaking of judges, y'all. Speaking of judges. Flavor. They came with flavor. You hear me? It was only right to bring them back as judges. Tickets! Get your tickets here. Okay. Let's see if anybody will pick on somebody else. Kim got it. I see it. Of course, she got the ticket. She said, I said, girl, I'm in the show. Ain't nobody worried about no tickets. Toy, you got your ticket. Oh, why would I give Toy a ticket? Why you get?
Turn the lights on. What you want? Turn the lights on. How long
to get in there?
Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on.
Yeah.
I need you to put the birthday person in the middle right now.
Yeah.
Put the birthday person in the middle right now.
I got money. I do. Thank you, Jesus. I do. It was either do-lots or strip. You know, my daddy sold drugs. It was that too. Thanks, babe. Nobody else laughed. Thank you. Speaking of which, while my judges are cuddling, come on. Come up here. Oh, y'all better do better than that. That's mine. I said I won't cry. I ain't gonna do it. Yeah, if anybody know, I've been planning this show since September of last year. It's supposed to happen in December. And every time I cried, every headache, I was right here by my side, encouraging me. I wanted to give up. I said, F this show. I'll give them their money back. I was talking about the show. We're being nasty this time. But after the show, I think we made lemonade tonight. Yeah. I had a lot of lemons thrown at me. And right, y'all know it's more colors in the rainbow than yellow, purple, and red. She's right here by my side, man. I'm adding the sugar to my tea.
Carmen won. She won. I'm the one. She already won.
She won't fucking win, okay? If I come back screaming, you know she won, okay? Tune in.
The third lid showcase is. Woo! Before I say that, Do y'all pay attention? What does LIN stand for?
Lock in. Lock
He did. And then the winner of LIN Showcase the third time around is Kvrmens.
Really great job. Like this red team that is quiet. Yeah. Right here, and we scared a little bit. You know, that looks really good. I appreciate you for having me. Y'all really don't know what this means to me for real.
She almost got me. I gotta give my thank you. If I leave anybody out, God knows. This won't be the last show. And I pray that everybody makes it home.
Okay, y'all, I'm home. So finally home. Everything went good today. I'm so proud of Kvrmens. She took the title. She won the competition, of course, period. Most definitely everybody had a glass of lemonade. Everything went good. I'm so excited for her. I can't wait for some future projects, possibly, or future shows that she'll participate in, because we already know she's going to bag it. But I just want to take this time to, you know, wish you well on your new future endeavors. I know you just recently located. So enjoy life. You're going to most definitely be the talk of the motherfucking town, period, wherever you go. Keep doing what you're doing, Kvrmens. And I'm so happy that I was able to be a part of this competition with you today, because this meant a lot. And you put all your work, all your hard work, dedication, everything, from going to your kitchen to being in shops. Like, I'm so proud of you. Yeah, so I'm glad I had that experience. Sequoia, you did your motherfucking thing on this face, baby. Hello, it's most definitely giving lemonade. You see it. But yes, y'all, I'm tired. I already started taking my makeup off. Y'all see the pictures in the whole full face once I upload everything. And yeah, so let's get it. I'll see y'all later.